Hello and welcome, it's GillyKube here on the Sunshine Coast on a very hot day. It's about 32 degrees, I'm sure that's over 100, isn't it? I'm going to just use this paint that I scraped up from my waterproof paper. I'm gonna, oh, it's very thick. Oh, I don't think that's, I'm gonna have to, no, that's very thick. I was gonna just use it as it was, but look at that, that's way too thick. So I will actually add a little bit of Floetrol to that. So it's gonna use it as my base colour. So give that a stir, see if I can get it to a consistency that's going to work for me. So this is sort of turning like a pale grey actually, so that will be fine. I can do something with that. Maybe actually I might even do a flip cup with that. So if I start off with a bit of that in the bottom, and then go to some black, or it's like a, yeah, like a real dark navy, because that'll go nicely with the, oh gosh, go nicely with that nice, now it's turned like that grey. So I will add in here, I've got a little bit of dusty pink, so we might as well go the dusty pink as well in there, and then I'll go back to a bit of the, it's kind of really, yeah, navy more so than black, but quite dark navy. Then I add a little bit more of the, I can actually water that down a bit now, the light grey. It was what I scraped up from the runoff on the bottom of there, and didn't want to waste it, so I just scraped it up, put it in another cup. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's give this a go. I'm going to here you go, here, and do a little, oh, those colours are actually quite nice. Quite nice. Not too much. Oh, look at that. Just an everyday little cup pour. Just doing this like little twizzle effect. And we'll just gently tilt it over the canvas, just to cover the canvas. So let's see what I can get out of this. Oh. It's actually really quite nice. I didn't expect those colours to look so nice together. I mean, the colours definitely would go together, but I just thought because that paint had been sitting there a while, that might have been a bit iffy, but it actually looks really nice. So there you go. Acrylic fluid art always is surprising. So that's kind of sent it all over the canvas nicely. Recenter it. Now you could absolutely leave that as it is, or you could do what I'm going to do, and is gonna jazz it up a little. Always forgetting cloth. Yeah, okay. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to do another puddle in the navy, and I'm going to use some of my gorgeous champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. There you go. I'm going to just use my little straw to blow this out. That is lovely. It's kind of like a floating bloom. That's perfect. So I'll do a little teeny weeny balloon kiss in the center. Oh yes, look at that. So I'm going to put my balloon kisses onto my waxproof paper. Leave it for my granddaughters to cut out. But that is gorgeous as is. Nothing is required. I had got my other tool there to use, but I think this is going to look far nicer just left as kind of a floating bloom. That is beautiful. Simplistic but lovely. This size canvas, a 20 by 20 I think it is. Excellent to just give as a gift instead of a card. It's yeah, or just a gift to say thank you, or I'm thinking of you. It's lovely. I am absolutely going to leave that exactly as it is. I'll bring you down, have a little look see. Plain and simple, really, you know, a beginner. I haven't even had a drink. A beginner could definitely do this. And there you go. Simplistic. Just looks like the bloom is floating there. I could add more to it. You could do it without the bloom. Absolutely, but I'm going to leave it exactly like that. I think that was nice, quick, easy beginner's one. And I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you for joining me on my crazy art journey. Things in mind, I'm on to the next right now. So I'm in my art room for the afternoon, and I'll see what other things I can come up with. These were the balloon kisses that I put on the wax paper. Some of them not so good, but the granddaughters just love coming in and when they're dry, cutting around them and making their own little collages. So good idea for the kiddies, for sure. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if this that isn't open to you, then absolutely a helpline. Bye for now.